video, you will learn how to do a spread plate technique. Spread plate technique is one of the important pure culture technique used in microbiology to get isolated bacterial colonies. Usually, a liquid sample is used for this purpose. So, using spread plate technique, you can get pure colonies, pure isolated colonies from a mixed bacterial sample. So let's see how this method is done in this video. Spread plate technique is one of the important isolation methods. It is used to get isolated colonies from liquid samples. So the sample can either be a food or it can be an environmental sample like water or soil. If it is a solid sample, you can grind it using a mortar and pestle, and then it can be dissolved in distilled water, and then spread plate technique can be performed. The requisites are test tubes, pipettes, glass spreader, nutrient agar plates, Bunsen burner, and alcohol or acetone. So let's see how this is done. You have to take 0.1 ml of sample using a pipette and place it on the center of the agar plate. After the sample is placed at the center, take a L-shaped rod and dip it in the alcohol solution and expose it to flame. Cool it for a while, and using the L-shaped rod glass spreader, you can evenly spread it on the surface of the agar. Ensure even spreading, so you can use one hand for spreading the sample and you can use the other hand for moving the Petri plate. Care should be taken not to give too much pressure on the agar. You can also use a rotator to ensure even spreading of the sample on the surface of the agar. After that, you can incubate the plates at 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours using an incubator. After 24 hours, you can visualize pure bacterial isolated colonies.